proof we're back. I got the parts I need. So now we're going to keep building. So we're going to do this. We're going to take 2 of these. We're going to put them together like this. And then we're going to take and put them like that. Went a little too high there. Okay, there we go. See, got one dish on. I'll put another one on there. So, got another one of these. I'm going to wait to put this on because I've got this piece. It's going to have that on it. Oh, and this is going to have that on it like that. So it's going to make it another dish. I'm going to put this one right below that one, just like that. Okay, and then this one goes right here, like that, and then you have satellite dishes, like on a communication tower. Okay, so I've done that. Let's take this and do this with it, right? And then we're going to put that where? To the side. So this is going to go to the side, not the front like these dishes are, okay? And then I'm going to take this, put this great 2x2 here, like that. I'm going to take this piece and put it on here, like that, you know. I'm going to flip this and I'm going to go with but this thing, that gray thing's going to go right in the middle. And then this, make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, so this is going to go like that, and another satellite dish. And this one is going to go off to the side, right, like that. And there you go. Now you have, I guess I can aim this one up a little bit, but yeah, now you've got an antenna array like for the top of the building. And this goes right in here like that. So check that out. That's pretty cool looking. So it's got that, you know, base on it that we built earlier with the vent, and now you've got an antenna array which shoots all the way out here, and that's going to sit on top of the building. Look, it's even touching my camera. Huh. Okay, so you saw it. This is the top of the building, and like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks you for watching.